Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a food order sticker on Instagram. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your home page. Click on your story option and then click on camera. In this section, you just simply click a picture or upload a picture, or you just upload a video from your gallery. It's up to you. So I'm just clicking a picture. And after taking a picture, you just simply swipe up and scroll down, and here you see the food orders option. So simply click on that, and here you just simply select the one option, and then you just simply click on check mark, and that's it. Now you will be able to use a food order stickers on Instagram. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.